Do you want to earn instant cash and gift cards simply by listening to music? In this video, we will discover how you can easily earn extra income by taking simple music surveys. Join us and discover exciting ways to turn your free time into a real earning opportunity. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Watch now and enjoy music while earning rewards. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss our amazing money-making methods. We offer global opportunities for online earning. Comment your country below for region-specific videos. Now, let's get started. Enjoy music and earn rewards. Do you love discovering new tunes and want to be rewarded for it? With Raztune, you can earn real rewards by listening to and interacting with new music. Enjoy the best tunes while collecting points that you can redeem for amazing prizes. Imagine enjoying your favorite music while earning real rewards. Join a growing community of music lovers who have discovered how to turn their passion into an earning opportunity. Enhance your listening experience and be part of something bigger. It's a seamless process. Just sign up and start listening. Access exclusive songs and share your reviews on the music. Through Raztune, you'll effortlessly earn money. Increase your earnings by inviting friends. Copy your invitation code and share it with your friends to join Raztune and earn rewards. You will receive $1 as a reward, and your friend will receive $5 for free when they sign up using your unique invitation link. The best part? There's a wide range of payout options available, including crypto, Advocash, PayPal, Skrill, and gift cards such as Visa or Amazon. Don't miss out on this great opportunity. Sign up for Raztune now and start your music journey while earning rewards. Get started today and be part of a unique music experience. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching. If you found the video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. See you in the next video.